भी सीमित हो। गड़बड़ी तो है, ये तो आ गया कि गड़बड़ी है इसमें। तो जब गड़बड़ी है तो जिम्मेदार कौन है? सरकार जिम्मेदार है। तो सरकार को इस तरह के ही तो आरोप विपक्ष लगा रहा कि साहब जो इम्तिहान हो रहे हैं भर्ती के लिए या लोगों की पढ़ाई के लिए, उनमें जो है पारदर्शी व्यवस्था नहीं है, गड़बड़ियां हैं। और सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने एक तरह से मोहर लगाई कि हाँ गड़बड़ी है। अब वो कहाँ तक सीमित, क्या वो अलग चीज है, गड़बड़ी तो मान ली ना।
There have been a number of areas that complaints have come from. This has all been in the public media. I'm not telling you something that you don't know. And there have been some strange cases, like a topper in Gujarat, I believe, who could not even pass her school examinations but somehow topped in the NEET. There is something very strange about the situation. It definitely needs to be addressed. Now there is a new complication with the NEET PG because a majority of the students from my state of Kerala have been given centers not only not in Kerala, not even in a neighboring state. They're being sent off to Andhra and Telangana. And there are students who are going to have to go through an enormous amount of distress, enormous amount of expense, risk, hassle to travel, and they can't get tickets on trains at this notice. How can this country conduct examinations so badly? I have just seen Minister Nadda along with a delegation of Kerala MPs. The matter is very serious. The entire way in which this whole NEET system is being conducted, whether it's NEET PG, whether it's NEET UG, they really need to rethink it and find a better, more efficient and certainly more humane way. Because our young people's aspirations, hopes and prayers are being put at risk.